If you're intimidated by curling irons or you just want a foolproof way to curl your hair and do it fast, you have to get the Beachwaver. I'm going to show you how it works on my hair, and you're going to love that transformation because it truly is amazing, and it's going to do the same thing in your hair. All right, so this is how it works. It's just an on button there, swirl here so it does rotate with you. This is a little tiny clamp. You're going to see that I'll clamp the bottom of my hair, and then you have 2 buttons here to spin left or right. So take your hair, go down to where the bottom is, and spin. Now this is a really, really tiny piece by my face, so I'm not gonna hold it that long, but you can just see like a little curl right there. Okay, so we take a piece, we clamp it as close to the end as you can get, and then choose one of the spins, spin it up, let it sit. I always get my next piece ready while I'm doing that. My thumb is on the clamp right there, and then you release it and you have your perfect curl. And then you just do it again and again and again. So if you want those real bouncy ringlets, you can just do it like that. But at the end, I'm gonna tousle it and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, so in 5 minutes, my whole head of hair is curled. And now I'm just gonna run my fingers through it to loosen up the curls. And look what happens.